In this video, we will discuss what AutoCAD is, its features, and how to use it effectively. AutoCAD is a computer-aided design software used by architects, engineers, and designers to create 2D and 3D designs. AutoCAD was first introduced in 1982, and since then, it has become a widely used software in the industry. One of the key features of AutoCAD is its ability to create precise and accurate drawings. It also allows for easy modification of these drawings, making it an efficient tool for design iterations. Additionally, AutoCAD supports a wide range of file formats, making it easy to share designs with other professionals. To get started with AutoCAD, the first step is to download and install the software. Once installed, the software provides various tools to create and modify designs. The interface can be customized to suit the user's preferences, with the ability to arrange and dock the toolbars and windows. The most basic element of a drawing in AutoCAD is a line. To create a line, you simply select the line tool, specify the start and end points, and the line is created. Similarly, you can create other shapes such as circles, rectangles, and polygons. These shapes can be modified by specifying dimensions and other parameters. AutoCAD also provides the ability to create and modify text. This feature is particularly useful for creating annotations and notes within the drawing. Additionally, AutoCAD supports the creation of tables, making it easy to organize and present data within the drawing. Another useful feature of AutoCAD is the ability to create blocks. A block is a group of objects that can be treated as a single object. This feature is particularly useful for creating repeated elements within a drawing, such as doors or windows. By creating a block, you can easily copy and paste it throughout the drawing, making it easier to maintain consistency. One of the key strengths of AutoCAD is its ability to create 3D designs. While the software is primarily used for 2D designs, it provides powerful tools to create 3D designs as well. These tools include the ability to extrude, revolve, and sweep objects to create complex shapes. To make the most out of AutoCAD, it is important to become familiar with the keyboard shortcuts. AutoCAD provides a wide range of keyboard shortcuts to speed up your workflow, making it easier to create and modify designs efficiently. For example, the shortcut for the line tool is L, and the shortcut for the circle tool is C. Finally, AutoCAD provides the ability to automate tasks using. We hope you found this video useful, and we encourage you to explore AutoCAD further to discover all that it has to offer. Subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching.